Let's see. Oh shit. Alright. I can't stream it, so I'll record some of it. Hopefully I got everything secured enough. As you can see, there's a crowd up ahead. Where the hell is that crazy ass woman at? Got a crowd behind me. I gotta catch up to her. She done ran off and left. I see her, I think. Oh, we're here on the Redneck Yacht Club. I'm not sure the name of this little creek. I can't remember it. About 40% way down, or maybe something like that, 30–40% into the river, past the rough little rocks. Wasn't really rapids. I mean, water's flowing pretty good. Oh, there's Melinda. Hustle Mom, if y'all watch my YouTube videos. She's in one of them, one of the first ones. Yeah, you're on camera, wave. Just doing a little video, a little short video, floating. I was wondering if you was gonna wait on me. Well,
you're supposed to watch me, not me watch you.
You're gone.
You should be watching me, you ain't watching me.
Well, I was trying to get my phone.
You didn't tell me what you're doing, I just have to keep behind me and hold on.
Yeah, that's when you gotta look behind you sometimes.
I do.
Anyways. Cause you can't just stand up in these waters. You gotta kick your little feet. Just let it float. You in a hurry too?
You are been in a hurry all damn day. You've been saying we're not at the end, we're not at the end, we're not even halfway, we're not even halfway. I know we're not halfway. What's the halfway one?
The hippie hoe, where everybody be stopping and getting out. They got pretty kayaks, purple and blue and green and yellow.
Halfway point to the other, they're wanting to go where y'all want to go, how far?
Halfway. Another 3–4 miles.
You're at 3 miles now.
I don't know.
We are.
How you know?
I saw it right there on the tree. 3 mile mark.
Oh, better pay attention. I can get in shallow looking water. Just a floating. And we done ran off and left poor Johnny and Bob. Huh? Well, don't you run off and leave me. Cause I'm recording.
I don't think you can record and go fast.
I don't want to go fast.
Well.
I want to smoke a cigarette, but your little scrawny butt like my sister just go, 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 go.
You know what?
Exactly. Oh man, I'm getting in that bag at the wrong time. Lord. We got rapids up ahead. I hear them. Oh, it's easy. See how they did? I'm gonna do the same thing, y'all. I'm getting in fast moving water. There we go. Oh, bottom out of that rock. Oh, found that rock. Oh, found that rock. Oh, found all them rocks. Lord. Boy, them rocks going up your butt don't feel good. Damn, Anthony and them done right. Hey, don't wreck me now, woman.
Wait a minute. I was trying to catch you. Okay. Thank you.
I'm trying to get to a cigarette.
I know that's what I said. That's trying to catch you.
Well, I was about to grab them and then you bumped into me.
I saw you. Can't help it. I ain't got another one to stop it. You're fine.
Don't worry about her.
Who?
You.
What about me? Who you having on?
I like her cigarette. She runs off. That's really interesting. These cigarettes turn out. Oh shit. Oh no. Hold on, shit. I can't get you right now, damn it. You're in the boat though. Okay. We should come get one of these damn cigarettes. Stop paddling. Damn it, so I can catch up and use your damn cigarette. Well, I was getting you a damn cigarette and you ran off and left me. Now I got 2 fucking cigarettes.
I cannot help it.
That's where the paddle backwards come in. Or just putting your thing your paddles in the water. Don't turn around backwards.
Sorry.
Here. Yeah, that's yours. It's halfway gone, because it took me halfway to get you. I know it is. Very pay attention. You don't want to get sideways going through these rocks. Okay, I'm letting you know you're coming up on rapids. I'm letting you know you're coming up on this rough spot. Easy breezy. Where the hell was Anthony and them in front of us or behind us?
In front?
That's what I was
Right
thinking.
there by that tree. On the other side right there. I'm not sure. No, I don't think that is.
They somewhere up there in front of us.
Yeah, they in front.
Yeah, that's them.
Yeah.
And John and Bob behind us somewhere back there. Yeah. Let's see. I know one thing, I'm heading for land right there behind them. I'm heading for land, I'm ready to smoke. I'm ready to smoke. I'm going to land right there behind them. Alright, that's the end of that video.